Hello, my name's Doug Briggs. I work for Bay Maples Wild California Gardens, and I am looking for an assistant. What I do at Bay Maples is I'm the primary installer of greywater systems and rain catchment systems. What you're looking at here is one of the systems that we've put in. This is really state-of-the-art work. We have plumbed the bathrooms and the washing machine to come into our bioreactor tank. We have bioreaction going on in that tank through microbes eating away at the various things that are coming in, soaps and whatnot that are coming in with the gray water. It is being cleaned up, aerated, and then it's being pumped into these tanks. We are then using the water that's in here, and also we're catching rainwater off the roof. We're using that for irrigation, both in the front and backyard, and we are also pumping that water back into the house to use in the bathrooms for toilet flushing. If you were to come to work, you would be working directly with me. I would teach you how to do quite a bit of plumbing, a little bit of electrical, quite a bit of landscaping work, a lot of irrigation, putting together manifolds, valves, controllers. It's a great opportunity if you really want to be engaged in environmental science and the real deal. This is really state of the art, and we're really doing it here.